guys, it's Sadie, and today I'm going to be doing a room tour. I'm going to show you where everything is from for my room that I can remember, and this was really requested. So, the shirt that I'm wearing is actually my shirt, and this is the crew neck version. It also comes in a t-shirt and many different colors like yellow, white, and sport gray, like kind of like a light gray. And then the t-shirt comes in many different colors too, and there's only a couple more days to buy it. So if you want to purchase it, the link will be in the description, and thank you so much if you do. There's a hair in my room. Okay. Also, I'm going to be doing a giveaway on the Dote app. If you want to win some really cool stuff, maybe some stuff from Randy Melville or Champion, you might want to follow me on there, so I'll have that link down below too. And without further ado, let's get into my room tour. So this is the door to the entrance of my room, and right on the left I have my closet, and I've actually done a closet tour, so if you want to see what's inside of it, you can click on that. But it's just like some white doors, and my clothes are inside. So this is across from my closet, and I just have these 5 hooks, and I usually put like my pajamas and random things that I don't want to put on the floor there. And right here I have my most prized possession, my 100k subscriber plaque. So thank you guys so much. But we're just about to hit 300,000. I'm so excited, and we might have hit it when you see this video. So thank you so much for that. This is my desk area, and obviously this is where I edit videos, do most of my homework, and that sort of thing. So the desk part of it, like the bottom part, I got it a long time ago, so I don't really know where it's from, but I'm pretty sure you can get a similar one at like IKEA. And this chair is from IKEA. Up here, this whole wall unit, my parents and I built. I don't think I helped very much, but they built it for me. Right here, I have this clip-on lamp because I didn't want it to take up space on my desk. Over here I have 2 little white containers for my pens and highlighters. On the board I put some ribbon just to decorate it, and my laptop case is from Amazon. I get a lot of questions on that. And my phone case is from Velvet Caviar. Up here I have a bunch of stuff. Basically, these little plants, I have 2 of those. They're from Dollarama. The grind sign I got on Amazon, and everything that I'm saying that's on Amazon, I will link it down below. Over here I have just some books, some notebooks, and this S I got from HomeSense, which is Home Goods in the US. This little bin, well actually not little, medium-sized bin up here is from Canadian Tire, and I just put a bunch of stuff that I don't want like out in my room. These 2 little succulents are from Michael's, and that little picture frame with a plant in it is from Walmart. And on the top shelf I have a random box, a picture of me and my siblings, and the same plant. And then I have that sign, and this little hashtag is from HomeSense. Beside my desk I have these 2 photos, and they're actually satin 8x10 prints that I printed from Walmart. I just got the pictures off of Pinterest and put them in these frames. Okay. So around the corner from my desk I have this, I don't really know what to call it, it's just a place. Below, like on the bottom, I have this cubby, and I got this from Target, but Walmart definitely has a similar one. And I just have these little black boxes where I keep a bunch of random things. Here I have this box from Canadian Tire, and I have my tissue box in there. Down here I have a succulent from Dollarama. Here I have some books and a hashtag that I got from my friend Grace. And back there I have some books. So on top of that, I have this little tray that says Hello Beautiful with some rings. And then I have my clock. And I also have this diffuser, and it diffuses essential oil scents. So like for example, in the winter I'm going to put some like peppermint essential oil, and then it like makes your room smell good. And that's from Amazon. And back there I have a little jewelry holder for my bracelets. Here I have this big bulletin board, and it has some little gold push pins around the border to decorate it. On it I have my jewelry because I needed a place to put all my necklaces because that tiny little jewelry holder was just not cutting it. And so I decided to put some little clear push pins and then hang my necklaces so that it's like cute and organizational at the same time. Up here I have these 2 pictures, and I am for some reason obsessed with these. Like the first time I saw it I was like, that is so aesthetically pleasing, and I don't know, I just thought it was really cute. And those 2 are from Winners. And over here to the side of the bulletin board I have these little candle holders, and they are from Amazon. And right beside that I have the famous mirror where I take all of my Instagram story outfit of the day pictures. And I don't really know where it's from, so sorry about that. So these curtains are from IKEA, and they're little like spotted, kind of simple but yet cute curtains. Right here I have my first dresser, and these dressers are from IKEA. I have 2 of them in my room, but we added some trim and painted it gold, and then we change the knobs. Right here I have my little plant area. Here I have a succulent from Dollarama. This one is from HomeSense. By the way, literally none of these are real because I killed my plant. Now I have PTSD, so I'm never getting a plant again. To hold that up, I just have some books, and then I got this from Dollarama. You guys might remember this little picture I have up here. That actually used to be too colorful and I wanted to make my room minimalistic. So I just painted it white and I also Sharpied the border of it, and then we just wrote create in swirly writing. Right here I have this lamp and it's marble on the bottom and it's very simple and it's from Walmart. So here is my bed where I sleep and watch Netflix. I have this little throw blanket from HomeSense. It's black and white, kind of spotted with some fringe on the end. So my comforter is from Wayfair, and so are these little pillows, and it's the same pattern. So many things to remember. Oh my god. These 3 pillows are from Joe Fresh, and they fit like the black and white kind of theme I have going on here. And this headboard my family actually made. These string lights are from Walmart. Right here I have the second dresser, and obviously the same thing that I said before. Here I have a beautiful plant. So I got this plant from HomeSense and I think it's really pretty, and I have the same lamp over here. Up here I have the same wall art that I have over on the other side, but this time it says inspired. And I really like having those words in my room so that I can just like have motivation and like inspiration in my room. It makes me happy. On this wall, I have a photo wall that I'm kind of working on. It's in progress, but here's the start of it. These are matte 6x8 Walmart photo prints, and I basically just like saved them all from Pinterest. Some are from my Instagram. I just printed them out at the photo center, and I think this really adds a nice pop of color to the room because the rest is kind of neutral and just really nice to look at once I wake up. So I'm going to be adding like some more columns and some more rows when I get cool pictures. And yeah, so here's my vanity like makeup area, and this is where I get ready every morning. And this vanity table is from IKEA. It has like a little glass fancy thing over top of it. It never stays clean. Down here I have these little drawers that I keep some of my hair products, brushes, hair tools, scrunchies, and all of that, and that's from IKEA as well. Then I have this stool and the fabric we actually put on it, and that fabric is from Fabric Land. So on top I have this little tray where I keep my everyday makeup, and on the inside, actually you don't want to see the inside. I'm gonna have to do a organize my makeup video, so let me know if you guys want that. But over here I have these lights that my dad installed for me, and I'm so thankful because there's just these little switches and they're really nice for makeup and like good lighting. And right here I have this light up mirror. It has 3 settings. Very much appreciate that, and it also zooms in because I'm blind, so I don't know what I look like in the morning. And then I also have this simplistic mirror too. And now we're back at the beginning of my room, and I have this gold S that we painted. It used to be black. That's all I have to say. So thank you guys so much for watching this room tour, and make sure that if you want to buy my shirt, tag me in the photos if you post in this shirt. I hope you have an amazing day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.